This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting a reference and preparing your body and gear. First, record a 30 to 60 second neutral sample so you can compare changes. Then warm up with humming and lip trills for 1 to 2 minutes to free your vocal cords. Next, position your microphone 6 to 12 inches away and reduce room echo. This prevents unwanted breath and preserves low frequencies. Once done, test a short phrase and note which parts of your pitch, resonance, and timing need changing. Now you alter the core elements: pitch, resonance, and cadence. Raise or lower pitch by about 2 to 4 semitones in small, steady steps so phrasing stays natural. Use a tuner app if needed. Shift resonance by moving focus toward chest for warmth or the mask, nose/face for brightness. Practice vowels to feel the change. Adjust timing by adding slight pauses, slowing or speeding phrases, and stressing different words. Make sure to combine changes gradually so they blend into a believable, repeatable voice. Finish by practicing full lines and recording a/B comparisons to your original sample until the new voice feels consistent. Apply light EQ. Cut 200 to 400 Hz for muddiness or boost 2 to 4 kHz for clarity, but keep changes subtle so the voice remains natural. Train muscle memory by repeating phrases daily and use supportive breathing to avoid tension. If you feel vocal strain or inconsistent results, pause, rest, reduce the pitch or resonance adjustments, and redo the warm-up before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.